All right, this is working. Let's wait a bit. Okay, yeah, Visual Studio Code can do that. Yeah, so today I thought maybe we could, because we never finished kind of the subscription system stuff on our app, and I was thinking about like different ways how we can do that. So I mean, the first, like especially this on the start. So either we allow the users to create accounts for free, and then they can uh, pay later, like subscribe to something later on. Um, or we have always the payment gate since the beginning, and then we use the Netlify identity API to send an invite. I think, where is it? Like this one. So this will be like a Netlify function that will send this invite to send this invite URL to a user using this email that we could probably collect before, and then create the account, and then they will click on the link and then define their own password and all of that stuff. I'm thinking now is like, okay, let's take a look at our app. What do we have right now? So we have the landing page, we have our dashboard. I should like fix this loading at some point. And we have like, yeah, few little bugs that needs to be fixed, but we can work with that later on. So we do the login right here, and we have this billing detail, which is where we put our card, and then, okay, this is a different thing, the screen capture. We'll worry about it later. And then we have like the plans, so basic, pro, and pro plus. Yeah, so we will assume maybe the user is at this basic plan. And then we need a way to, okay, capture the payment. And once the payment is captured, oh, hi there. Once the payment is captured, we will probably tell Stripe to send a webhook. Interesting. WebAssembly. No, but I use mscripting before, but that was the days of hacks. I used like where is it? Hacks. This technology right here. So this allows you to like run once, write code once, and then gets transpiled to all of these languages. And there was another engine that's on top of it. No, but I haven't explored it. But if you're interested in there, or if you have some specific questions, feel free to please create an issue in here, and I will be happy to explore it at some point whenever I have time. We will have like a 30 minutes stream where I explore WebAssembly, and maybe we'll try to build something with it. Awesome. So back at it. So what I was saying is we will probably first allow the user to sign up for free, and then once we'll probably start like limiting some features so they can't like access it unless they have specific role or something. This is like settings, the mail, the email, plans. So let's take a look at Stripe. I think it's called Stripe Webhooks. And let's see the event types. Account application. Account, external account created. This is an external account, a card, bank account. External account updated, application fee, refund. Charge captured occurs whenever previously uncaptured charge is captured. Occurs whenever failed charge attempt occurs. Occurs whenever an application fee refund is updated. Charge success occurs whenever a new charge is created, is successful. Okay, so maybe let's go to the Stripe dashboard and then we'll see from there. Then probably, yeah. And I wanna go to the dashboard. You can see already like there was some payment going on already, and then some customers created, and these like all the customers I have right here, which some of them I think maybe we need to delete these customers. Okay, it takes some time to delete some customers, but yeah. All right, so customers are deleted. Yep. Payments. Wow. So let's go to developers and then webhooks. And let's add an, so okay, account updated, balance, charge. Charge. What's the captured and succeeded? Maybe make sure I have like succeeded. And then in here, we will have something like dot Netlify, probably not identity, but then it will be like update user. And account updated. I don't know what's balance, charge, checkout, customer updated. Yeah, and I think we need to also update whenever a customer is updated. Oh yeah, there's also, there's subscription created, subscription updated. So we will have like a different things. So for now, let's have update user, and then we'll see. Okay, so this is one, and then where is it? Webhooks. How do I add a new one? Come on. Okay, and then so also if the subscription is updated, this will also go to Netlify, and then update subscription. So yeah, whenever we update a subscription, we will let Stripe telling us, hey, there's a subscription up to date, and if we update the user, or I'm not sure here, maybe we can so this charge is succeeded, but maybe if we so let's see, let's create these two test endpoints, and then we will see. So we have the Lambda, which is here, and then let's do two new Lambda functions. This one will be update user, and the other one will be update subscription. And then for this, let's do just copy this, and then we will remove it later. We will clean up later. Okay, so and then maybe we can remove all of this, and probably also remove all of this, and just something like okay. So we would do something like message Oh man. Here, this will be, okay, message works, and probably we don't need this. Let's leave the headers up there, and then here we can say console log event. How do we parse this stuff? Let me see. Create a customer. Yeah, event.body. So I would just log the event.body right here, and then take this and then go to update subscription and also log that. Let me push these changes. Add Stripe webhooks, then probably like do a push. And then go to Netlify. Yep. And it's building. Just checking my phone here while the thing is building. Probably some music while waiting for the build. But yeah. Come on, what's going on here? I think it's finished processing. Yeah, okay, so now if we send a test webhook, the webhook, blah blah blah. So this is what it will send to us. I created, and then Okay, this is the charge, the billing detail, the email, the name, captured, false, currency is euro, my first SaaS charge. Like we get a lot of data. Hey Ryan, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. Fingerprint. Wow. Actually Stripe is sending a lot of data. So what's going on is our Lambda function is failing. Which one we tested? Okay, let's go back to the webhooks. And let's go to update user. So we have this one, and then let's send the test webhook and send test webhook. And then it's like 404. Interesting. Update user. Let's see, is it showing us any logs? Hi Ryan, how's it going? Oh, hey Jason, how's it going? Oh my god, thanks for coming. Yeah, I'm just like fighting with Stripe and Netlify functions, so maybe you can help me debug these things. What I want to achieve is when somebody where's the app? So if I go in here and then put in my card, and then like do this update payment method. Okay, it's like completely broken right now. But when I when the user is actually doing some payment, Stripe will allow me to send some webhooks to some Netlify function, and then I will use this Netlify function to update the user so they can actually use some features in here, like I don't know, this is using Hazura, so I can actually like post some stuff later on. We will add like some comments and so on. Yeah, so now I'm fighting with the dashboard, like the Stripe and Netlify functions, which is not showing me any logs, which happened in this happens before, but I don't know why. Is there any better way to like test these Netlify functions without relying on this log stuff? Like, I know there's some way to do it like locally, but I'm not sure. Yeah, Netlify dev. But will that work with Stripe though? If I send it to localhost? I mean, the function is very, where is it? It's like, it's very small. I'm just sending back this. Basically, it's empty and with a console log. Yeah. I like, the funny thing is, so yeah, I'm exactly, I'm trying to capture like what do we have. Return, no callback. You mean, okay. You mean like this? Yeah, makes sense. Oh my god. Yep. I need to update this also right here. Yeah, I mean, like, funnily enough, like the whole app I'm working on is called like Rubber Goose, so it's about like rubber ducking online with other people. So we're actually doing a lot of rubber ducking right now. Okay. So just push all of these stuff. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. That's also. Oh man, it's so good to have you in the stream. You know that, right? Now I need to throw all the bags at you, and then you help me with it. I'm just pushing some stuff. Yes. I need to. Yeah, I need to up my game around for that. Like, we need to build some stuff. I mean, I already like have a nice logo here, but I don't know. Maybe we can animate it, and it will be like toot, 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 or something. Okay. Where is it? I guess I have a new deploy right now. One of them should stop. Okay, waiting for the other deploy. But so looking at the webhooks, I don't know if there is any Stripe experts around here. I have one for the user, and it's for the event charge succeeded. There's also like customer created, but I think customer created can, like, customer on Stripe can be created before the charge succeeds, or something like that. So I'll try this event, and the neat thing is you actually can send a test webhook. Even if it fails, it will show you like the whole body. And maybe let's get the whole body right here. And where is it? I think there's like a lot of JSON formatter stuff online that gives me some stuff. Okay. So what is this? So this is the charge object. Interesting. So we will have all of these stuff we don't need. So this is, since it's a charge, the ID will start with charge underscore blah blah blah, and object is charge, the amount is 100, amount refunded, billing detail, captured, created. It gives you also some fraud detail. That's very nice. And someone said, yeah, there's also the Stripe CLI, which is actually interesting. So it allows you to stream the event locally. Yeah, I need to check that out also. Okay. The country. I think the charge won't be useful for me. Probably I need to do subscription created, because that's where I can get like the plan. Okay, let's try this subscription created and then see. I think this will be much better. Yeah. So we'll have this subscription ID, but hopefully also I would get the, yeah, right here. This is the plan. So, okay, I think this would be much better. Okay, so if we send the test webhook, it's still failing. Is it still deploying? No, all is good. Functions. So it's sending me like, okay, we got the 404. What? Am I setting the correct thing? Okay, this is the website, Netlify, and then update user. And then if we go here in the function, yeah, of course. Never mind, was just a silly typo as usual from my side. The URL is wrong. I can't even like. So here this needs to be functions. Is it functions or function? Yeah, it's functions. Okay, so update user right here, and then we do send blah blah blah, then we send that. Cool. Yeah, works. So the webhooks is working, or at least like something is working. It's receiving some stuff. So the logs are not. There's the logs. There's the logs. Come on, go back. Yeah. Yeah, this is like the plan. What I would do is now use the Netlify identity, get the user by what? Is there like a customer ID somewhere in here? Customer subscription created. Okay, so here is creating the. So we get the subscription ID. I guess the subscription is attached to a customer, so I can, from the subscription ID, I can get the customer ID. And then somehow I need to. I'm just trying to think how I can how can I link the user that I have, because last time what I did is I linked the Netlify identity with the Hasura database. So right now serve version. What can go wrong? Let's just update now. Nothing will go wrong on updating the database on a stream. You know what? Not now. So I linked the identity, and whenever someone sign up, the user will be reflected in here. And you can see I already created an account, and then I set some permissions for like the user and also for the table post right here. So user can like insert and update and delete only stuff that belongs to them. So I want to find a way how I can like link this user ID probably to this subscription stuff right here. Charge automatically. And the we have that subscription. So I had this old one right here using Stripe. So yeah, I mean, let's just remove the callback and change this to something much better. Hi. And this also be a return statement. We don't need this. This also. Okay, what do we do here? So this is when we create the customer. So basically when here, billing detail, or whenever I sign up. So probably when I sign up, I should also create a customer. Okay, I think I might have an idea how to do this. So you can see here I'm already like when I receive the identity from the user from Netlify identity, I will create this user and then send it to my database. So probably in here what I will do is first go in my user table to modify, and I want to add a customer ID, and this will be text nullable, and it should be, I guess, unique. Okay, let's just add this customer ID, and then if we go now to the data, this will be null. And now when let's remove this console log. So when I do the sign up and then the user confirms their email, this identity sign up will be called. And what we're gonna do is create a customer, a Stripe customer, but without any subscription. And once that's attached in here, then we can actually select by that customer ID whenever a new subscription happens, and then we link things together. So at least we give it like we have a starting point around here. So for that, let's forget about the webhooks for now, and then go to Stripe, customer, create, Node.js. Maybe here. So validate user, update user, where is it? Update plan. So let me get this piece of code from here and then go to the identity, sign up, and then require Stripe. So I have Stripe there, and here we get the ID. So what we're gonna do is, I think the description. Yeah, so okay, what I will do here is I will get the customer and then I will await the Stripe dot customers dot create, and then in the description I will, okay, so get this just after the user, and then for the description it will be user.metadata.fullname. Okay, so we have this custom, this, maybe let's call it Stripe customer or something like that. Okay, so here we can actually do customer ID, and in here we will have customer ID, and here this will be customer ID, which is Stripe customer ID. Okay, so now we make sure that we linked both. So here this we need to provide the type, and what do we return? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, there's probably a way also to send back some metadata so it can be added to the user, but we will care about that later. So let's go to, where is it? Did I close the Hasura stuff? Yeah. So now when we go to the permission and we go to, I think this is using my secret, so I can actually insert anything, so it's fine. Okay, let's here we will do, okay, create a Stripe customer on sign up. And probably we could do more stuff, like not only create the customer, but also add a subscription to them and then give them like the free tier or something. But let's at least create the customer and then, okay, and then we push. So let's go to identity. And okay, so I'll probably use another email. Yeah, let's use another email later on. So this is building. Da, da, da. So, I mean, last time someone complained that they don't see enough of my screen, or they want a more screen real estate. Is this okay for screen real estate? Like, I barely can, like, my face is just this small circle right here. Okay. So this finished. Now let's log out. Log out sometimes doesn't. And when I log in, I go to sign up and then here, let's put in some sign up stuff. Okay. I would take this off screen and then confirm the email. The email does not show up. Maybe it's in the spam because I sent few of these. Oh, I sent it to. Okay. Not the example, but like Gmail, and then here I sign up. Confirmation message sent. I received the confirmation message, and will copy this, and then supposedly this should confirm my account. Yep. Okay, I'm logged in. And now if we go to our users table, you can see this. Weird. What just happened here? I mean, I committed everything. Maybe I need to refresh. No, it's the email is not. Customer ID. Okay, this is actually ID. Yeah. Oh man. So this should be ID here. And I don't know why this was. Fix. The theme I'm using, it's called Night Owl. It's, where is it? Night Owl. I believe it's by Sarah. Yeah, it's by Sarah Dresner, which is, I mean, she's an awesome person. She's like a superhero, and she does a lot of cool things. Yeah, so this is the theme right here. I have it also like on my terminal. I have it also on like my Vim as a Vim theme. I have it like all over the place. So let's yeah, anytime. Let's try again. Like the confirmation stuff. It's weird that it didn't create the user. What the heck is going on right now? What is going on? So this is okay. This is an async function, and then I am awaiting this customer, and then I'm creating this customer, and then this is the response body, and the customer ID is that. But apparently this is not working anymore, at least here. It should, however. Where is it? I don't know, like sometimes Google might take us to like a very old version of stuff. Stripe node. Where is it? Customer. Customers. Create a customer. So you can actually give it also like an email, a metadata, name, optional. So I guess instead of description, this will be like name, and then also description will be also like this full name. But this is apparently Stripe node JS npm. Let's see if it I think it does support like async await. I mean, I have it in here, for example, like await this. So it should do that. Maybe because I did everything through this, I need to send the token to that URL also. So I will take this confirmation token and then paste it in here and see if that will change anything. Hello? Come on. There was an error verifying your account. Please try again. Okay, so clearly now something happened. Where are my functions? Okay, so maybe the deploy went terribly wrong. Oh, okay. There's already some error in here. Using Netlify exports handler. Create customer. Where's the create customer? Yeah, I don't know what is this space doing. So yeah, I think I broke something, and then git commit syntax errors. So let's push again. Interesting. So whenever you sign up using like a local host, the trigger will happen differently. Okay. Today I learned. Okay, it's building again. I mean, most of the time you'll spend here is looking for like APIs and how to connect things together. But once you figure it out, I think it's like just a few minutes and you have everything connected and set up. Okay, it's building the functions, and yep, the functions are uploaded. So now if I add the confirmation token again and then hit enter, there was an error verifying your account. So let's see, functions and identity sign up. user metadata, full name, and then there's description. What is going on? What is going on? So let's see. Did we change anything in here? Did we add any new users? Nope. So something clearly failed in here, and the logs are not kind of helping. Yeah, I should probably get this, or like the whole setup kind of working locally so I can test faster and probably see the logs with Netlify dev and so on. Yep. Ooh, sorry. And it's getting late in here, so I wanna like finish at least this first part, and then tomorrow we can like finish the second one, just connecting the Stripe webhook to. Okay, maybe usually you get also the webhook stuff in here. So let's see. Interesting. So saying 404 message user not found. Okay, so if I do it again, maybe. And then sign up. User with this email has been already. Did it make it to here? Okay, it made it here, but it didn't. Okay, so just delete this. Okay, interesting. I have to. Okay, I will delete this one also, and then let's sign up again. Let's sign up again. Cool. And then let's pull a separate tab. And give it a token. Okay. Now we should see something. Yes. Holy moly. Yeah, it's working. Okay, cool. So here, when I create the new user, I'm able to create a customer on Stripe. And then if I go to Stripe and go to, I think, billing or customers, I have this customer here, like with description. And probably I can also add the email Yeah, I can also like add the email in there. So I guess I can actually also add the email. So we have this email here, so we can probably also add it. Yeah, and that would be much better. And then, so here we can do, okay, add email to Stripe customer. So this way we can also send the email, like connect the email in there. Yeah, so if we look here, we have this nice customer ID, which we can, once we receive any sort of webhook from Stripe, we can actually get a subscription. From the subscription ID, we can get the customer ID, and then once we get the customer ID, we can update this table here to have like plans and stuff like that. Probably we will extend this table to more stuff, like stuff like the plan and so on. And where is it? So this is here, and then when we go to the dashboard, yeah, I have like the data right here, and then I can have like plans. We can now like also like pull these plans from maybe Stripe or from Hasura, from our database, and then display it in here and do all sort of stuff. Okay, I think it's getting super late. Here it's almost 11 p.m. So I'm gonna call it a day. You can find the code always. It's like open source over here. It's a very nice SaaS app coming together really well right now. Yeah. And the website is here. It's also hosted here. And I usually, like all of the recordings, I have them in a playlist. I don't like, sometimes I don't end up adding all of them if like a stream is just me banging my head. This is all one. So here's the list. It right now there's like 22 videos, which is over like 25 hours already. So enjoy. Yeah, and thank you all for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow, and hopefully we'll finish these things up, and we like close the topic of the Stripe subscription overall. So yeah, see you tomorrow.